Hi, my name's Tony and I'm the head chef of Liverpool John Moores University. Today we will be preparing Jamaican jerk chicken with rice and peas. This is how the chicken will come to you. And we made a conscious decision that we'd like it to be marinated in the jerk seasoning for 24 hours. So we've done that for you, so it'll come in a bag and we'll have marinated it the night before. We'll have a date on it to say when it needs to be cooked by, and the ingredients that's gone into the jerk season are lime juice, some chilies, some fresh thyme, some soy sauce, garlic, honey, spring onions, and a spice called allspice, which is also known as pimento, but it's a seed, a dried seed, and it just gives it like a smoky depth of flavour to the finished dish. So first job we're going to do is we're going to get the chicken into the oven. So just ensure that there's space in between each piece of chicken, just so we can get good roasting on it. Skin side up as well, especially for the thighs. So that chicken we're going to put in at about 180 degrees. It's going to take between 35 and 40 minutes, but we will check it. Just depends on the size of the chicken that we're cooking. So the next job we're going to do is we're going to prepare the rice and peas. So what I've got here, I've got some rice, I've got an onion, some garlic, some dried thyme, a tin of coconut milk, and a tin of red kidney beans. So what we're going to do, we're going to go straight in with the red kidney beans. Don't worry about the liquid, it's fine. We go in with the coconut milk. Dried thyme. Just going to chop this onion. This is going in. And we're also going to put in 2 cloves of garlic as well. Roughly chop that up. Okay, so in that pan we've got coconut milk, we've got red kidney beans, onion, garlic and dried thyme. I'm going to add 250 mils of water. Put that in. So we're going to put that on some heat and we're just going to bring it up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we're going to add the rice to it. So I'm just going to give this rice a wash. Just to get rid of any excess starch or any foreign bodies before we add it into the coconut milk. So that's come up to a gentle simmer. Just going to add the washed rice to it now. Now it's really important this because that you keep your eye on it. So once the liquid has evaporated, tin it really low. And just put a lid on it, but just keep your eye on it because with the coconut and the red kidney beans, it could catch on the bottom. Where it normally to cook rice it'd take around about 20 minutes, we'll expect this to take closer to 30 minutes, just with managing the temperature, managing the heat that's hitting the pan, and just to ensure that we don't burn it. So the rice has been on for about 10-15 minutes now, and as you can see, it's soaked up quite a lot of the liquid. This is the critical time where we're going to turn it really low. We're going to put a lid on it and just keep checking it periodically, just to ensure that it cooks through and it doesn't catch on the bottom of the pan. Okay, so the rice is done. As you can see, all the liquid has evaporated. The grains look nice and separate. Our chicken's done now. I'm just about to take the chicken out. Key thing with the chicken is to ensure that there's no blood, the juices are running clear. You know, you can have a look underneath, just feel it, it's not too hard yet. If you do have the luxury of a thermometer, just ensure your meter's above 75 degrees, and then, you know, probe it in a few different places. Just gonna garnish this with some spring onions, and then I'll plate up a portion, and then just to show you what an expected portion looks like. I'm just going to put some coriander on, and that's it, job done.